Today, I'm gonna show you how I carve this really cool Minion pumpkin. First, start by taking a pumpkin. Try to get one that kind of resembles the shape of a Minion rather than a squash flat. Use a sharp knife to cut a hole at the back of the pumpkin like this. Scrape out all the inside with a spoon. When it's cleaned out, it should look like this. Next, draw on your Minion design. I started with the hair, single eyepiece, and a Google strap. I started carving the Minion hair. The idea is we're going to leave the black lines in place and remove the pumpkin skin around them. I drew the eye in detail with eyelid peering underneath. I drew a big smile on my pumpkin, showing off its teeth. Next is I drew the dungarees in detail. Work your way around and be careful not to cut off yourself. If you are attempting this pumpkin design, you need to be careful, patient, and take time because of some intricate details. Let's start working on the eye area. Cut a hole on the lower eyelid, being careful not to cut into the pupil. Then remove the skin from the upper eyelid. Now let's move on to the pocket. I drew the pocket a little bit detailed. Then I cut out the shoulder strap for the dungarees. Do this on both sides. We are nearly there. I am now removing the skin on the pocket area. Oh, and don't forget the G logo. Tadan! And this is our Stuart Minion pumpkin carve. He is really looking good and the design is pretty cool. Oops, we're not yet done. I take some yellow plasticine and mold it into arms and gloves. For shoes, I got these spare baby shoes, or you can use black fluffy pom-poms. And there you go. This is now our finished pumpkin minion carve. This pumpkin design is really cool because of the details and fun to make. If you are a fan of Minion, you will surely love this.